Welcome to this video on basic electrical engineering, focusing on series resonance and the Q factor as part of our series on electrical installations. Series resonance is a state of perfect electrical balance. It occurs when inductive reactance equals capacitive reactance, causing the opposing forces to cancel out, leaving the circuit as pure resistance with a unity power factor. To find the exact point of resonance, we use the resonance frequency equation. This formula identifies the precise frequency where inductive and capacitive effects perfectly neutralize each other. The resonance curve shows that at the resonant frequency, impedance hits its absolute minimum, leading to maximum current flow in the circuit. Bandwidth defines the functional working range of the circuit. It is the frequency range where power drops to 50% and current drops to 70.7% of their maximum values. When looking at half-power frequencies, the resonance frequency sits between the upper and lower limits, defined as the geometric mean of those two frequencies. The Q factor measures circuit selectivity by comparing energy stored to energy dissipated. A high Q factor results in a narrow bandwidth and sharper tuning. Be aware of a hidden danger: voltage magnification. In series resonance, component voltages can massively exceed the supply voltage, creating a risk within the circuit. Circuit behavior shifts across the frequency spectrum. Below resonance, the circuit is capacitive. At resonance, it is purely resistive, and above resonance, it becomes inductive. In practice, series resonant circuits act as acceptor circuits. These filters isolate specific frequencies while blocking background signals, which is essential for modern wireless communication. In summary, series resonance achieves electrical balance, the Q factor dictates tuning precision, and these circuits serve as vital filters in our communications technology.